Hi everyone, welcome back to Vedanti tutorial. I am your Gunapriya. In before section, we have discussed the first and second problem, that is length of chord of exercise 3C. This is exercise 1C. 1C. That is the second Roman. So now we'll see the third problem. Here they have asked the length of the chord for the equation. They have given one equation like this: x square plus y square equals to a square, but here they didn't give g and f, that means x coefficient, y coefficient. On the line, this is the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p. Now same as before only. First we have to write what's the given equation, right? This is the first equation, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to p. It is the second equation. See, from one, first in before problems we will know the g and f from the first. Here what's the here center? Center is 0, 0. Why? Here knows g and f. The center will be 0 and 0. And or will be, see here, 0 plus 0 minus, that means plus a square, or equals to a. Root a square, that means here see, root a square, square will get cancelled, square root, and a will be here, or equals to a. That means here 2g is 0. So g equals to 0, f equals to 0. So here there is no 0. Okay. Here no value of z and f. So we have taken it as 0 and 0. Now this is the r. Now we'll go for the distance, that means length of the chord formula. Actually we know that equation, we have to find out the equation 2. From this equation 2 we have to find out the d. Okay, now we'll see here. Okay, here d actually we the length of chord. Length of the chord equals to 2 into root of r square minus d square. 2 into root of, or here is a, that means a square minus p square. That's the answer for the given question. Now we go for the another question. Our next problem, that is find the equation of circle with center and touches the line. That they have given one circle equation, that means they have given one line and the center. So here this is the circle. For this is the center. What's the center they have given? 2, 3. And the line they have given Yes, that touches the line. That means this is the tangent, right? This is the line that touches that line, means this is the line. And they given that touches the line here. Okay? That they have given 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. So we have to find out the equation of the tangent. Okay? Now, see here. What's the given? C 2, 3. And line 3x minus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. Line, we have to find out that equation of the circle. That means one condition is there. If a line is a tangent, that means if this line is a tangent for a circle, line is a tangent for a circle s equals to 0, then the conditions, that means there is a one condition here, that means is or equals to d. Actually, we know the d formula, that means distance formula, that is ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. But in this problem, the line is a tangent. That means if a line is a tangent of a circle s equals to 0, means this is a radius, right? This is the radius. So r will be equals to d. So now for this question, r equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. So don't confuse in it. Before we have find out the distance of the two circles, that means circle and the line. But here they have given the center and the line. If a line is a tangent, that means a line is a tangent means of a circle s equals to 0, means the condition will be r equals to d. Okay, don't confuse for before problem and this problem. Now why? Because they have didn't give the r value. So r equals to 3 into 2, that means 3 is nothing but here this is the x term, that means x coefficient will be the 3 and y coefficient will be the b and c is 1 here. Next, minus 4 into 3 plus 1 root of 3 square plus minus 4 whole square. Now we will solve this and we will get the r value. See here, r equals to 6 minus 12 plus 1 by 9 plus 16. Okay, 3 3s are 9 and minus 4 into minus 4 will be the 16. So 7 minus 12 is here minus 5 by root 25. So here mod is there, then you will get 5 by here 5. That means root 25 will be the 5 and the r equals to 1. Now we know the r value. In before problem they have asked to find out the length of chord, but here they asked to find out the equation. Okay. We know the r and we have find out this, and they have given center. Center is nothing but this. To find out equation by using r and c, we know one formula, right? First exercise we have done this equals to r square. Here h is nothing but here 2, k is nothing but 3. That means h comma k. Now substitute these values here and you will get the equation. Okay. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, that equals to, or means here 1 square will be 1 only. X square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6x equals to 1. Okay, now simplify the answer here. Then you will get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6x plus 13. Here minus 1 equals to 0. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6x plus 12 equals to 0. So this is the equation. Okay, very simple, don't confuse here. So here they have said that and touching the line, that means center is touching a line here. That means definitely it will be the tangent only. Next we go for the another problem. Okay, our next problem, that is the fifth problem of the second Roman. Find the equation of circle with center. They have given the center, sorry, here minus 3 comma 4 and touching on y-axis. Y-axis means what? We know that x equals to 0. So given here, given c is minus 3 comma 4 and the equation of y-axis, that means y-axis means nothing but x equals to 0. This is the first equation. So whatever they have given the line y-axis is nothing but x equals to 0. Now we know that if the line, same condition we have to write for every problem. We have to intimate that if a line is a tangent for a circle s equals to 0, then the condition is yes or equals to b. Now here or mod, here a, this means x coefficient is 1 comma minus 3. Here y is not there, that means b. Y coefficient here not there, so it will become as 0, and here c also as 0. Don't confuse. Here ax plus by plus c here. Only here they have given x coefficient, nothing but y-axis means x equals to 0, right? So x will be only the a, that means a here is 1. So y and c are not there. So we have to write as a 0 by root of a is 1, that means 1 square plus 0 square. Nothing but 1 only. Okay? Okay, I'll write like this. So minus 3y, because that will be odd equals to 3. Now odd is 3 and center. Now if the question given the center and radius, we know that if the center and radius, how to find out the equation? There is a formula, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now we will find out that formula. Okay, center is minus 3 comma 4, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Right, this is the formula. Now substitute here x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equals to 9. So x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y equals to 9. So x square plus y square plus 6x 8y plus 16 equals to 0.